CTF is student-focused and supports interdisciplinary learning that fosters development of literacy and numeracy skills and competencies like communication, collaboration, and problem-solving. At Discovery Trails, our online grade 7 to 9 CTF coding program allows the students the opportunity to create basic web pages using HTML and CSS code, explore simple animation using JavaScript, and create 3D objects using block coding programming. Using Tinkercad software, students use block-based coding to create repeatable patterns and complex designs using variables and parameters on a 3D coordinate plane. Our online students create the 3D programming code and save it into STL files, which is then sliced into a programming software that is readable by Mrs. Laundry's 3D printer.